When using for the first time after a voltage supply interruption or a malfunction, you must reset the day of the week, the time, and the default values for the operating lifespan. The correct time and date are absolutely necessary for programming the auxiliary heater. Press the on-off button to activate the display. Use the arrow keys to call up the clock symbol and confirm with OK. Use the arrow keys to select the day and confirm with OK. The hour value now flashes. Use the arrow keys to set the correct value and confirm with OK. Proceed analogously for the minute value and then confirm with OK. The operating time now flashes. You can adjust the operating time between 10 and 120 minutes or set it to continuous operation. Confirm with OK. The operating lifespan is saved and the time is shown.